Hi, I'm Phil. I'm junior harness engineer here at Reflex, and I'm basically responsible for designing cables and connectors for all the interconnections that we have inside of our spacecraft. In the harness team, we have to face different challenges. Of course, we need to design our cables and connectors to be resistant against harsh space environment. We have different phases in our projects. Of course, we start with designing the electrical and the physical layout for our cables and the connectors, but we also need to make sure that we have an eye on everything that happens inside of the satellite. We have payloads changing, requirements changing, units can change, and we need to make sure that we have everything on our mind. You could easily compare a satellite to a living being. That's what I like to do. And we need to make sure that all our organs, let's say, all the units that we have are connected to both of these systems. And in that sense, harness is basically the nervous system of the whole satellite. We have thousands of signals going across the satellite back and forth. Here at Reflex, we do real engineering because we are basically designing our own system around the payloads from our customers. We are designing our own structures, we are designing hardware and software on our own. And I think for me personally, it's one of the coolest things to get my hands on stuff that actually flies into space. And yeah, I think I'm just blessed to be part of this amazing team here.